Assam, very clear. Even after 10 years, the BJP was voted to get to power. And that also, it was voted to power with a higher vote percentage and also more seats. Why? Because it was pro-incumbency, not anti-incumbency. Many of the governments, after 10 years, anti-incumbency comes in. Here, with the BJP Assam, it was pro-incumbency. I just hope so Meghalaya also, our people, the voters of Meghalaya also understand that. And you can check it up in Nagaland. There was a one by poll. That also went to the BJP. Because Nagaland has started to accept BJP over there. So I just hope so. And I believe that people of Meghalaya also, it's a matter of time, you wait 20 years, they will accept BJP. I said earlier, I'm saying it again. 2028, double digit. I will not put a number, but it'll be double digit. Let's see. It depends. This double digit reaches how much. So it all depends on the numbers. They are from other political parties. They want to join us after they have taken their supporters into confidence. Okay, so we are ready anytime, and they have sent word to us. Please give us some more time, and we still have, we still want to reach up to our supporters, and we said no problem with us as long as you're comfortable. So we have to give them that chance too. We will announce once the elections are declared. Right now we have applicants, so the election committee will sit down, then send the names to Delhi, and Delhi will approve. And then, so president is there probably. I think so. Till now we have about 4 names. I don't think so.